Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is a tutorial on how to install the SIYI gimbal on the Reebot UniDrone E900. The Reebot UniDrone E900 is compatible with the SIYI gimbal series, and the carbon fiber plate at the drone's nose already has pre-drilled mounting holes. In this video we'll use the SIYI ZR30 as an example and show how to install it on the E900 drone. The Reebot UniDrone E900 supports the installation of SIYI series gimbals, with mounting holes already pre-drilled on the carbon fiber plate at the front. Today we'll demonstrate the installation using the SIYI ZR30 gimbal. First, use a 2.5mm hex screwdriver to remove the carbon fiber plate at the front of the drone. Next, remove the top carbon fiber plate from the ZR30 gimbal. This step is simple, just use your hands to gently squeeze the 4 rubber damping balls out of the slots in the plate. Once that's done, find the required screws in the ZR30 cable pack. Take out 4 screws and use a 2.0mm hex screwdriver to attach the ZR30 to the E900's carbon fiber plate. After securing the gimbal, reinstall the entire plate back onto the E900 drone. Once the installation is complete, attach the drone's landing gear. Then pick up the ZR30 gimbal camera and connect the 3 reserved wires on the E900, the video signal cable, the integrated flight control cable, and the gimbal power cable. After connecting the cables, reattach the gimbal to the carbon fiber plate. The method is the same. Gently push the 4 rubber balls into the pre-cut slots on the plate. And that's it. The entire installation process is complete. This concludes our tutorial on installing the SIYI gimbal onto the Reebot UniDrone E900. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more content, be sure to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.